Alright, there we go. That was... and then I immediately died.
As I was going.
I was emoting. Oh, that might have been play of the game.
Nice.
I hope it is.
They do have a bunch of sentries around the corner in case you guys do go around there. Be careful.
Oh, behind us is like a bastion maybe, or a fort.
There is a Reaper trying to
Oh,
flank.
Reaper, yeah.
Oh, nice. Oh, no! That was a nice shot from Zenyatta. Watch out, they have turrets in the bottom cliffside on the left.
I think they got a teleporter in the
Reaper on
bottom
the back.
tunnel.
Gonna,
Oh, Reaper.
ain't no problem. Yeah.
Nice.
I was waiting for him. I backed way up.
Nope, hammer not down. Oh, sorry. There we go.
You're good.
They do have a
Reaper from
teleporter.
behind.
He's on the top of the
Oh,
gas
on the
station now.
Got it.
The teleporter's on the second floor.
Reaper down.
Oh, I'm down. That was my first death, though. I'm doing
Symmetric
good.
turrets up there in that tunnel.
Yep. They're all taken care of. Oh, that's where the teleporter is.
Yep.
No! Fuck. That's why they're all coming out of there. It's on the top floor.
I'm
Yeah.
coming.
Should almost be used.
Do keep an eye on the payload too, though.
Oh,
Oh,
Yeah.
no.
Here he is.
My ultimate is charging.
I still see arrows over there. You guys doing okay?
I'm coming around.
yeah.
I'm okay at the moment. It's just me on the payload.
Yup, we got the bastion behind you, backing you up. And I'm just flying between you. Alright, James, back.
I'm on their back lines. I almost have ult.
My ultimate is almost ready.
10 seconds. If we work in unison, our defense will be effective.
Oh, I got a teleporter.
Teleporter online.
My ultimate is almost
Now!
Nice, good Blizzard. Oh, that was perfect.
Brian's on me.
Got him.
Nice, good work.
Yeah! I was just standing on the cliffside, staring at the wall, watching my countdown go up. I didn't want them to know my position.
Awesome.
Woo! I hate this game and
heroes never die.
we're ruining people's days.
Bullshit. My presses never get played.
Get good. With Gusto. Fuck Blizzard. Oh, stellar match.